AnyCo Limited doesn't have a clear view of their IT assets. They're struggling to understand last year's IT spend, and they're under pressure to reduce waste and optimize their IT estate without the skills in-house to achieve this. Without a clear understanding of their license assets or obligations, AnyCo is also at risk of non-compliance. These problems are compounded by a mixed estate, multiple products from multiple vendors, and internal groups procuring without centralized control. AnyCo asks their trusted IT reseller partner for answers. The solution chosen is Unity from Avnet, a powerful software engine that drives estate management services and supports organizations to understand and manage their IT estate. Unity rapidly captures IT asset data across a multitude of vendors, geographies and technologies to provide a single master database with one view of purchasing, deployment and compliance. Product datasets enhance the data to understand the estate in such terms as software compliance, product end of life, product end of support and power consumption. The benefits of Unity are clear. Enjoy an always-on, on-demand understanding of the IT estate rather than historical snapshots. Reduce exposure to and risk of non-compliance. Generate valuable insights for informed cost reduction and efficiency improvements. Unity uniquely brings together the right technology, the right methodology, and a comprehensive picture of the IT estate with the multi-vendor datasets only Avnet can provide. Create clarity on agreements. Agreements and contracts are core IT assets. Understanding the rights to use and purchase history of agreements is critical to achieving compliance and optimization. Unity means all contract information is available from one place, an agreement lockbox. The agreement lockbox can accept an array of data held against an agreement from any vendor, for hardware or software contracts to maintenance agreements or even mobile phone contracts. AnyCo can see which contracts have expired and which are due for renewal, allowing for simpler management of and budgeting for renewals weekly, monthly or yearly. Discovery with a difference. Rights to use agreement data can then be compared against discovered deployed assets, identifying whether AnyCo are consuming too much, too little, or not enough. Unity can either perform the discovery itself or consume data from existing multi-vendor tools before cleansing and normalizing the outputs to produce one version of the truth. Through Unity, AnyCo can visualize and navigate around discovered assets, viewing their relative locations and owners through the tagging feature. Unity enhances data through comparison with external product datasets to show AnyCo the size, weight, heat, and power consumption of their assets. IT asset modeling. Once agreement data and deployed assets are understood, Avnet's reseller partner can use this new understanding, working with AnyCo to optimize the estate. The user can construct models using new hardware and software and consider the cost and compliance implications of this new estate against the existing one. Enjoy simpler cost-benefit analysis for key projects, from buying hardware to virtualizing data centers. Create models from scratch or model from the existing estate using product and price lists from various hardware and software vendors, save variations, and monitor the impact of change against total cost of ownership. Confidence in compliance. From agreement data and discovered assets, Unity has the intelligence to understand and report on key contract constraints and vendor-specific rules, providing a complete compliance picture that's also repeatable on demand. Compliance scope and parameters can be set. Compliance checks can be scheduled to run automatically. Reports can be generated and financial implications understood. Avnet's huge resource and multi-vendor relationships enable AnyCo through Unity software to maintain control over complex licensing metrics and their compliance position. True stock control. Unity enables AnyCo to understand their discovered assets against how they're allocated in order to optimize license usage, maximize asset reuse, and avoid overspend. Users can request stock from the stock pool. Unity will automatically detect available stock and applicable agreements and suggest these to the stock manager. Over-allocated stock can be visualized and released back into the pool. Avnet's reseller partner can support AnyCo with their projects and purchasing by maximizing the use of existing assets, as well as being able to advise on strategic buying requirements. The benefits of optimization are clear. Make Unity the key to your IT asset management approach.